today, we will gonna photo shoot baby Braxton because he turns 5 months old. So guys, check this out. This is very unique home DIY photo shoot. Let's go. So first, you're gonna be needing blanket. Second, you will gonna need clothesline. This one. So I got this from Home Depot. It's a plastic, it's like a chain. Now we're gonna put our plastic chain. You're going to hang them. Next, you will gonna need a clothespin. But since we don't have a clothespin, I find ways. So I saw this in my garage. These are clamper. Whoop, clamper. And now let's put it in our clothes. Now I'm gonna prepare a model. Make sure that your baby is full, that you fed him or her, so he will gonna be not fuzzy. Let's go. Now we need to change our model. Okay, model, are you ready? All right, high five.
left and right, yeah. Look up at him.
Like this?
Yeah.
One, Braxton! You know what? He will stop just like this. Ah! Oh! 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 Ah! 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 Oh! Oh! Braxton! Help! Help! Oh my God! It's hard to watch. Like risking my life. You need to participate, mommy. Start already. Gonna pass out. Alright guys, I hope you had fun in our home DIY photo shoot. Alright guys, I hope you had fun in our home DIY photo shoot. So guys, if you like our photo shoot, please help us share the video and don't forget to click like and subscribe and the notification bell for watching. Remember, always share the smile. Love you all guys. Peace.